Hi, this is Becca, and today I'm going to show you how I would start cleaning this Goodreads dataset to prepare for further analysis. First, let's take a quick look at our data. From the table, I can see that some of the book titles include the name of the series that the book is from, within parentheses, and also multiple authors appear to be listed in the authors column separated by slashes. If we scroll over, I can also see that the publication date is available in two different columns, but both are string types as indicated by the letter A. So I will likely have to change the data type as well. I will be using Einblick Prompt, the AI agent embedded in every Einblick canvas, to work with the data. So let's get started. So if we take a look at the language code column, I just pulled out a quick chart. We can see that there are several abbreviations of different languages, and there appears to be a few different languages that result in English, that indicate English. And so to first start cleaning the data, I'm going to type in a prompt to ask Einblick Prompt to actually replace a few of these values for ENG or ENG so that all of the English books have the same categorization. Next, I'm going to convert the date time column for publication from a string to a date time object, similarly just with one prompt entered into Einblick Prompt. Now we can see that the date has been converted and we can actually visualize the distribution of release dates using a chart. Next, I want to examine the publishers column to take a look at the distribution of publishers. Based on the code that was returned via the value counts function, we can see that there are many publishers available in the dataset, but Prompt is also great at subsetting our data. So I'm just going to ask Prompt to subset for the top 10 publishers. As we can see, based on the code returned and the chart produced, we now have about 10 publishers that are in the smaller data set called top publishers. Now that we have cleaned a few of the columns, I'm going to ask Prompt to drop two of the columns that don't really seem necessary, such as the ISBN number and the other publication date column, which is redundant. Now moving on, I'm going to try to isolate the book series information that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And so I'm going to ask Prompt to just save that information and save it as a new column called Book Series. Next, if we ask Prompt to check out the value counts of the book series column, we can actually see that there are several book series where the number that that book is in within the series is also listed, such as Death Note number 7. So that's all the data cleaning we're going to do in this video, but as you can see, you can keep using Prompt to add new cells if you want to continue doing any data cleaning or data analysis from here on. Thanks so much.